So we'll discuss about the surveillance systems now. What is surveillance system? Okay, so to understand what is surveillance system, we need to understand what is surveillance first. So surveillance means watching people, places, or things to find the suspicious activity. Surveillance in the sense you are watching someone to find out the suspicious activities using the surveillance system. So you are using the surveillance system, okay, to watch the people for the unauthorized or suspicious activities. Now the thing is, what is surveillance system? All right, surveillance system can include the security guard, video cameras, lightning, and sensors. So these are the part of surveillance system. Okay, so the categories of surveillance, like video surveillance, it will be done using the cameras. Okay, security guard, lighting, and sensor. We'll discuss about these different categories one by one. Now let us discuss about video surveillance. So what is video surveillance here? Involves using cameras to monitor the area. So you are using the cameras to monitor the area. Okay, so you are monitoring here everything. And what are the features? Okay, modern systems include the motion detection. Even these cameras, modern cameras, they detect the motion. Okay, you can see, you can have the night vision, facial recognition, and remote access as well. All right, and we are having wired cameras and wireless cameras. So if it is a wireless cameras, it will use the Wi-Fi technology. Okay, so it is often referred to as CCTV, closed circuit television, and it can be indoor or outdoor. Okay, it can be indoor. You can install the cameras inside your premises, and you can install the cameras outside your premises. Okay, so PTZ cameras allows operator to pan. Okay, you can zoom the, okay, screen, and you can do the surveillance. Okay, you can zoom for better coverage. And placement, where will you place these cameras? So best positioned at the entrance, exit, and critical areas like data center. So these are the places, okay, you will place the cameras at the critical locations like data center, entry and exit point. Then security guard. Okay, so the role of the security guard to watch the suspicious action, and what is the main task of the security guards? To react quickly when needed. Okay, what is the benefit? Help prevent crime by being visible and can make quick decision on the spot. So these security guard, they will make the quick decision, okay, to avoid any unauthorized activity or suspicious activity. Then we should, okay, make sure that we should have the adequate lighting to see the clear faces or what is going on, okay, inside your premises or your outside your premises. So you should have the adequate lighting, enhance visibility to deter the crime. And you should place the sensors as well. What is the use of sensor? It will detect the motion, sound, and other environmental changes to alert the security personnel of potential threat. Okay, so sensors, again they plays a very important role to avoid any harm to your uh, building, you can say. So combining different types of surveillance tools create a more robust security. So one tool is not sufficient. You should have the multiple tools, surveillance tools, to for increasing your security. Okay, so this structured approach to surveillance help ensure safety and security of facilities by monitoring for suspicious activities and responding effectively to threats. Now, attackers can bypass the surveillance system. Let us see how an attacker can bypass the surveillance system. So methods used by attackers bypassing the surveillance system, like they can do the visual obstruction, they can blind the sensors and cameras, they can interfere the sound. Okay, they can interfere with the sound. We will discuss. Okay, all these types of, okay, methods used by the attackers bypassing the surveillance system. Okay, let us see what is the meaning of visual obstruction. So attacker block the camera views. If you see, attacker is trying to block the camera views, okay, using the spray paint. Okay, they can do the spray paint here on the camera, or they can stick the stickers here, okay, to block the camera, or they can put something physical objects like balloon. All right. So to hide their activities, okay, they are doing these things, okay, they are obstructing the cameras to hide their activities. Okay, these are the different ways to obstruct the cameras. They can also use the bright lights to blind the cameras and sensors. Okay, so bright lights such as flashlights or laser can temporarily disable camera and sensor to detect the images. They will use the loud noises or jamming devices, okay, to block the sounds that audio sensors are meant to hear. Okay, so they will use the loud noises here again to make the sensors full. All right, so sensors won't be able to hear the real noise. Then they can jam the signals as well. All right, so jamming signals can block the wireless surveillance system, stopping them from working correctly. They can change the temperature as well. Okay, they can unplug the power, or even starting fires can break or shut down the surveillance equipment. They can do the physical tampering as well, like cutting wires. They can cut the wires also. Okay, so what are the prevention strategies? So as we have already discussed, we should install the temper alarm. Okay, so if someone tries to do some tampering, it should create the alarm. Okay, so use cameras with temper alert to notify the security if someone tries to obstruct them. So you should have the backup power supplies as well. So implement uninterrupted power supplies to keep the systems running during the power outage. So you should have the UPS as well. Okay, useful when the power is not there. Then you should use the encryption as well. So use encryption communication signals to protect against jamming. Then you should have the redundant system, have multiple layers of surveillance like cameras, guards, sensors to ensure the continued monitoring. So these are the prevention strategies. Even you can do the regular maintenance as well. So regularly check and update the surveillance equipment to fix weak spot and improve the security. You should train the staff as well. So teach security team to spot and respond to a tampering or the bypassing event. So by using these methods and prevention strategies, organization can make their surveillance system much more effective.